Art and nature, black and white animals. We're going to draw a panda bear today using these supplies: erasers, pencil, a circle tracer, a Sharpie, crayons, and later on you'll see a ruler. We're going to start first with the circle tracer. You're going to put it in the middle of your paper. You're going to place one hand on it so it doesn't move, and then take your pencil and draw around the outside of it. When you lift it up, you should be able to see that there is a circle on your paper. So I know this will help a lot of you in trying to draw a circle. We are now going to just draw two curved lines for the ears of our panda bear at the top of its head. Then we're going to take the biggest small circle on our tracer and trace two circles for the black fur around the panda's eyes. We're going to move down to the third circle, and we're going to use that for the nose. And then we're just going to draw a curved line for a nice smile on our panda. We're going to go in to a smaller circle, and you can decide which one you want to make circles for the eyes. If you happen to make a line you don't want, just use your eraser, just like I am doing right now in the video, to redraw that in better with my pencil. Now I'm just adding a curved line to finish off the panda's eye, and I am going to get a Sharpie out after this and trace on top of all the pencil lines we just made. Remember, when we get our Sharpies out, we want to put the lid on the end of the Sharpie so we don't lose it. When we trace over our pencil line, that just means we're basically redrawing the picture with our Sharpie. The reason we didn't draw with the Sharpie first in tracing our circles today with our panda is because we wanted to be able to erase if we mess up. Sharpie is what's called permanent, which means that it cannot erase. We're going to continue tracing over all the details of our panda bear, and that includes the things that we drew on its face: the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. I'm making the mouth a little bit thicker just for fun down there. If you would like to do that, you are more than welcome to, because remember, you are the artist of this panda project. I'm going ahead and coloring in part of the panda's eyes with the Sharpie. That way I can tell a difference between the Sharpie and the black crayon when we start coloring in with the black crayon. I'm using small little smooth strokes in coloring because that helps me to not scribble and fill in my whole space. So you get out a black crayon from the plastic baggie and color in the ears, around the eyes, and the nose with your black crayon. I'm going to color the top of the panda's body with the black as well. Now I'm going to put away my crayons and I'm going to get out a ruler. A ruler is used to measure, but it can also help us make some pretty awesome straight lines. You're going to hold the ruler just like you did the circle tracer and draw lines with your pencil. We're going to hold our ruler vertical. We're going to be careful not to draw any lines over our panda, but stop when the pencil gets to the panda. If you haven't guessed yet, we are making the bamboo behind our panda by using these straight lines on the ruler. Once we finish that, then we can once again get out our Sharpie, again put the lid on the end, and again trace over those pencil lines. When we do that, that is going to make our little bamboo stand out. Notice I'm not drawing on top of the panda. When I get to the panda, I stop. Do not draw over the top of your panda bear. I'm going to add some of those horizontal lines, just the real little ones, not all the way across, to make those spaces we created look like bamboo even more. Once I get all of my lines drawn, then I can put my Sharpie up and I'm going to get out a green crayon and color in the background, which is the bamboo behind our panda. We will have a completed picture once it is all colored in. In art, when we make a completed artwork, we have to have something in the background and something near us, which the panda is near us. The bamboo is in the background. So that's why I am coloring it all in green to make our completed artwork. And here's our finished project. I hope you loved making it just like I did.